Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Hope you're all doing well, and yes, even if I have made a post on my channel, I want to wish you all the best for 2025. I wish you health, joy, love and success for you and your family. I also want to thank you. Thank you for your amazing support, for your kindness, for your participation to this channel, because I love you. I love you, really. I do think I have one of the best community on YouTube. You are just brilliant. Even if we do not have the same bag tastes, we always have a nice discussion, and you cannot imagine how much I love to read your comment. It's just great. So thanks a lot for your support. Thanks for being here. And thanks for sharing my passion. All the best for the new year. And as you have seen on the pic, today is an unboxing. This is one of my Christmas gifts. I won't be doing a video with all my Christmas gifts. I think I will just concentrate on the bag, which is the main topic on my channel. Just if you want to know what I had, write me a comment. I will tell you, but let's unbox this. And if you have seen my previous video, yes, you can read Les Ateliers Fourès, because I will maybe do a video concerning the hit and misses of last year, 2024, but for sure Ateliers Fourès was a big hit in my year. It's a real discover, and to be fully honest with you, I'm completely crazy with that product. This is the very first bag I have from them, because of course this is a bag and I love it. Have a look at my review concerning it, I will link it, and it's just great. And for Christmas I have asked a second bag, and this bag is not available on their website. That's a pity. In fact, if you have seen this video concerning this bag, you know at the very end I told you that I was interested by several bags from them, and in particular one bag. It was the Leto Mini, and I said it was because I have made researches and so on. This bag, I do think it will be too big for me. So I have made researches, because yes, I love to do that. Concerning bags, before buying, I always do a bunch of researches. And in their production, they have realized a bag quite similar to the Leto by the design, let's call it like that, but smaller. And I have found this bag on the website in a French bag shop called Noir d'Arec. This video is not sponsored, but just to tell you everything, guys. And I am happy. They have this bag in several colors. Apparently there are stocks, because I also found this bag in other bag shop. And let me present to you the Danaé. And look at it. Oh, it's simple, guys. Yes, these bags are simple, but they are just well made and great. And the most important for me is the leather. It's the same leather as my first one. I will write the dimension, and look at it. And just here you can see Ateliers Fourès. Apparently they have changed the logo, their main logo. Before it was like that, Les Ateliers Fourès, and you got their symbol, the symbol that you can see on the tote bag, and now they simply called them Ateliers Fourès. And behind, it is still in French noted fabriqué à la main en France, so handcrafted in France. But they put away the mention they exist since 1969. That's a pity, because when a company exists for a long time, I think it's a good idea to mention it. So let's go back to the bag. It's the same leather, it's the same color. I am crazy with this color, which is fauve. My God, it's crazy. So, as I told you, very simple. You have one zip to open and close it. And behind, you also have a pouch zipped. And I love the size. It's quite good. It's also sergé de coton. I love this interior, very nice and soft. And the strap is in leather, and behind you've got also this cotton, but high quality, and it's so comfortable on your body, you cannot imagine. You still have silver hardware, and the strap is non-removable, it is just adjustable. But for once, I am happy with that. I really wanted a go-to bag, very simple, very casual, and a bit minimalist. And let me show you the inside. It opens so easily. So let me put away all the paper. Inside, it's a wide compartment, very spacious, and as you can see, you've got two flap pockets. They are quite big. You don't have a zipped pocket here, but that's not a problem because you've got it here. And to be honest, with the two flap pockets, it's perfect to also organize your item. And of course, you can carry it on your shoulder like this. Let me show you. So this is the back, but you can wear it like this. It's not a problem. So like this, I really love the style. And I know that with patina, it will have a slouchy touch. I am really excited about this. And crossbody, so easily, look. Thanks to the leather, it's so easy to adjust it, and so I can wear it very easily. Crossbody. I really like it. And the price, because it's a gift, but if you want to know the price, once again, the price is completely crazy for a no leather bag, only 190 euro. Yes, guys, they really have high quality leather. Of course, the style, it's minimalist. They are just go-to bag. It's not too fashionable, but guys, we don't need always super fashionable bag. We want some practical bag and resistant in time bag, and the price is more than correct. And to be honest, I have several other bags from this brand in my wish list. I will do a video concerning my wish list for this year, and you will see. I am crazy. Seriously, it's such a discovery, this brand, for me. And I know I will enjoy it. And I have to say, I'm quite happy to have other kind of brown leather bag, because I've got a bunch of Foulonné bag in brown. I love them. It is not the same leather, but they are also great. It's nice to have other style bag. So let's move my items inside this one to this one, and you will see what I got in my bag. I've got an agenda. I am using, yes, you know, the little pouch I just got before Christmas. This is my wallet. Oh my God, the medium size is just perfect to use it as a wallet. And so that's the matching color. This is my con purse, and also this one, I really enjoy using it. It's so tiny, so thin, and it's just perfect in the bag. And thanks to the color, lioness, I can see it very well. So I've got those two. You see there's plenty of space. Document for my car. My lipstick, I have received lovely comments concerning my lipstick. Thanks a lot. It's my hubby and my children who choose it. It's a Maybelline. It's the Summer Pink Cream. Just for information, it's just great. So I will let it in this pocket. And I've got a bunch of tissue because it's winter and I have kids and even myself, I'm using a lot of tissue. So yes, I also have my hand cream L'Occitane, and you see, and of course, I can put a pair of Sunny and a tiny bottle of water and even another notebook, but I'm just carrying this, and that's all. And this is my gift. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, more are coming, and as I told you, I think the next one will be my wish list, but several videos are planned. If you have some idea of video, you can also write me and ask me something, so do not hesitate. Once again, I thank you a lot for last year, for your support, for your love. 2024 was great. Let's keep fingers crossed that 2025 will be also great. Surprise, we will see. Thanks for watching this video. Take care till the next one, and I love you. Bye bye.